everyone, I'm Alexa.
I'm Mason.
And we're with Body Sanctum. Today we're going to show you a really great stretch that you can do with the cork ball for your rhomboids. So first off, where are your rhomboids? Your rhomboids are these muscles here between your shoulders. So Mason, I'll actually have you put your arm back just a little bit so you can see here. This is jutting out here. This is Mason's scapula bone. So the rhomboids are the muscles that are attaching the scapula bone to his spine. So it's just right here in between. So basically, the spot that when you go into the spa and they ask, where are you sore? That's where you point to, because everyone is always sore in their rhomboids. So this is a nice form of self-massage that you can do yourself that will help loosen it up as a stretch, but also feel like a little bit of a self-massage. So first off, Mason, I will have you turn this way first. So I'm just going to show you what you're going to do with the ball. So we're going to move the ball along the rhomboid. So it's just going to go between your scapula bone and your spine. So now, Mason, I'll have you turn to the side. So this, instead of a yoga block and another person, you would be just leaning against a wall, but I'm just going to use the yoga block to demonstrate. So we'll start at the bottom. So now, Mason will start to lean back a little bit and start to put some pressure on that spot. And then what he's going to do is he's going to move that right hand and touch his left shoulder. He's going to move it across his chest. Perfect. So now, as you moved across the chest, did that feel a little more intense, Mason?
Yep, a little bit.
Perfect. So then I'll have you put your arm back. And then we'll just move up the rhomboid. So we'll move the ball up a little bit and then do that again. And back. Then move up a little bit. And back. Is it starting to feel a little more intense now?
Yep.
Perfect. Back. Perfect. And now you can feel free to hold the stretch at any point. So if you find a spot that feels really juicy, just keep your hand there. You can even do a few times around. You can start to change the angle. You can go a little bit lower. You can go a little bit higher, just whatever starts to feel good.
Okay, Alexa, I'm just wondering why does people always have the pain complaint on this area?
That's a great question, Mason. If you think about most of the activities we do in everyday life, we are really hunched forward. People who work in desks, massage therapists, people who work in hospitality, and even if you're just going on a hike and you have your rucksack on your back, you really do tend to hunch forward. So what that does is it's stretching out the back and it's tightening up the front. And when you stretch out the back like that, you start to get these really tight spots and trigger points and knots that really build up in the area. So the cork ball is really great for getting in there and loosening it up. If you found this video helpful, feel free to comment below, or you can pop into the spa and book in a massage. All of our massages are customizable, so if you want more focus between the shoulders and you want to skip something else, let's say your legs, we can then spend the majority of our time loosening up those areas that you're really feeling sore.